What up, what up? Welcome to my channel again. Thank you for coming back. This video was supposed to be, you know, if you're having a bad hair day, for my girls that are not relaxed, and you straighten your hair with a flat iron and then you go outside and it becomes like poofy. I was trying to like do a quick easy style, but went right back outside and guess what happened? So instead I just did a half up, half down style, slick my edges, whatever goes on back there, who cares, cause the front looking good. So that was like a fail in a sense. I tried to do it. I've seen so many tutorials with like girls braiding their hair individually and then flat ironing it and it comes out super wavy. Yeah, that works for people whose hair doesn't really change that much when they go outside. So I wouldn't recommend this for my natural girls that do straighten their hair. I am not a naturalist. I do put heat on my hair because, you know, I just like my hair straight sometimes. Sorry. If you do have relaxed hair, this probably will work really good for you because the outside weather and just the humidity and stuff probably wouldn't change the outcome of your hair like mine. So I would definitely try this on your hair, and you have an easy hairstyle to go out with. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. If you do want to see how it turned out before I went outside and did stuff, continue and watch, and don't forget to subscribe down below. So here I'm just taking my hair out, combing it. I put some heat protectant spray from Silk Elements because I already straightened my hair. I just want to make sure it's really protected. So I spray that all over my hair, work it through. Now I'm parting the hair in 4. And I'm parting the hair now in the first section. I'll be parting it in 3. This is the first section I will be doing. Just doing a regular box braid straight down all the way to the end. Then I add a ponytail holder to the end of the hair just so it doesn't unravel. And I continue to do that in the next 2 sections of this subsection. Then spray some more heat protectant spray on the braid before I put the flat iron on it. So once I'm done with that side, I start using flat iron, and I guess I do 3 to 4 strokes down with the flat iron just so it will take, so I'll have that wave. Side, same way, box braid straight down, ponytail holder at the end, flat iron, do a couple path throughs, take the ponytail holders out of all of the sections, and spray some hairspray over it so the wave will stay, so I thought. Once I spray the hairspray, I let it sit for a little bit, dry, then I take out the braids in all of the sections, and you get a little, you see kind of the little wave effect that I was going for. But boy, I tell you, once I hit that outside heat, those waves went straight. So yeah, it was a little wave, you know, you see the little wave. So I take them out on both sides. Out for me, so I chose to do something else, just do a different style. And now I'm going to try and do a different hairstyle. Since the wave didn't take, I'm going to put it back up, half down, brush it down, slick it, and do some curls again. but I'm not only going to re-curl the sides, I'm going to actually go in and curl the top half and the bottom half to get a different look. And there you have it. That is my style. Hope you like what you watch. Follow me and subscribe down below.